Welcome to Learn English Stepwise Progress.
Go on a trip. I'm going on a trip. Destination. Departure. Arrival flights. Departure flights. How long will your flight take? It will take 45 minutes. Because I'm going to London from Cardiff to Manchester. Flight. Fly. This is the most stressful part of trip. It will take only 50 minutes. Landing, taking off. When you want to go on a trip. When you go on a trip, you need to consider lots of things. Documents. You need to keep all your documents. And do not forget your documents.
Thanks for watching.